Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a sausage casserole. I'm going to put a bit of a twist on my sausage casserole. I'm going to include some pale ale and a few spices, a bit of garlic, some peppers and the sausage casserole mix. So let's get frying some sausages. I'm going to be doing these in my Dutch oven, cook everything on the top of the Aga, and then I'm going to put it into the slow cooking part of the Aga for a couple of hours until I'm ready for eating. Get that nice and warm. Let's shove a bit of butter in. Today I'm using some Cumberland pork sausages, some nice ones. That's getting nice and hot, so I'll put all the ingredients up on the screen now, and hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. And seeing this is my heavy metal cooking, I'm using the Status Quo Premium Ale. So that's about it really. I'm just going to let this slow cook in my bottom oven. That's all I do. I do a bottle of ale, pale ale, or, dark ale if you want. Sausages, I didn't realise actually I had 2 packs of sausages. I thought they weren't enough. So that's why I put the second batch of sausages in a bit later. Loads of onions, because I love onions. A bit of paprika, bit of oregano, bit of coriander, salt and pepper, along with the sausage casserole mix that they have, as well as the obviously Worcester sauce and some mustard sauce. So I'm going to let that cook away. Maybe add a bit more water in that. See how it goes. But that's about it. That's all we do. And it tastes absolutely phenomenal. Obviously the alcohol will burn off from the pale ale, but it just gives a bit of a richer flavour. So this is going in my oven, and that will be really nice with some mash. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Like I say, I'm not a trained chef. I just love my cooking. But I hope I give some people some ideas. Thanks ever so much, and I'll catch you again.